I'm Devin. Let's make margarita. Fill your shaker up all the way with ice. Yee-haw. You're gonna take your sugar syrup. You can also do lime syrup, any which one. Half an ounce fresh lime juice. You're gonna do a whole ounce of fresh lime juice. Triple sec, orange liqueur. You're gonna do half an ounce of triple sec. And last but not least, tequila, ounce and a half. Shake it up. All right, wedge a lime and around your rim, and then stick it in that salt. There we go. Ice ball, ice cubes, either one. Strain it in.